Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Airtap series from AC Infinity, and this is a 4x10 register that goes into the wall or floor, and it boosts the air to that register. And let's take a look while we talk about it. What this does is, in certain rooms there's not enough airflow going to that register, and what this does is it has a temperature control here, and when it doesn't reach that temperature on that vent, what this does, it boosts the air coming from there. So let's take a look from the other side. As you can see, it has two fans, and this, you're gonna plug it into the outlet, and it's not that thick, it's very thin, so it fits nicely in there. And this is probably the 4x10 right here. So here is the AC cord. It looks long enough. Here are some screws, double-sided tape, so you can put it into place. And here are the instructions. So as you can see, the installation is fairly easy. Take out the register. If it has a couple of screws, take those off. You take the old one out and you put this one in, and then you just run the cable to your outlet. And once you do that, then you set up the temperature, and that's it. And what it'll do is, if it doesn't reach that temperature, it'll ask for more air, pulling that hot air or cool air to that area. And here are the programming instructions. So it seems fairly easy. So let's take a look at what it looks like installed. For the time being, it looks like a very nice looking register. It just has another purpose to it. Here is the vent. I already took out the screws, so all I have to do is take this off and put the new one in there. And for it to power it on, I have an outlet here, so just plug it in and plug these two together, and that's what it looks like. That's the highest setting. Very quiet there. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.